Hey guys, this video is for agency owners and business owners alike. So if you're anything like us, you have gone back and forth between multiple project and task management tools. You've had demos with multiple software, and at the end of the day, the only thing that seems to work is keeping everything in one place. In essence, we don't want added layers, neither do our employees, neither do our contractors, neither do our clients. So if you're using Slack, Slack has this incredible feature where you can create canvases to centralize all of your information. In this video, I'm going to be using an example relevant to us and to to digital agencies, but a lot of this can be manipulated to fit your business as well. And in talking with a lot of our clients, I know that our clients love using Slack. So without further ado, how do we use this? If we take a look at a few of these canvases that are specific to these channels, we get an idea of the power of Slack, and the necessity for tools becomes obsolete. Before I say that, or before I get into detail about the things that we're using here, I want to preface this with we are still in the experimentation phase here. We've used it in the past and we've gotten away from it, and now it's resurfacing as the solution. We believe this to be the answer to our organizational issues, or challenges, rather. And I think it's so valuable that I want to share it with you guys. So, in this specific channel where we have all of our account managers, experts in digital marketing that oversee our client accounts, we have all of the necessary resources that they could possibly need. So, starting with new hire onboarding, we have this training section where we have tons of videos, canvases, standard operating procedures, etc., that any new hire will need to go through. And now it's centralized in one place, accessible for all account managers. This is important because account managers that are seasoned and have been with us for a while can easily access things that might have slipped their mind, templates that they haven't created yet. Everything is in one space, and it's all uniform for all new and upcoming account managers. The same goes for onboarding clients. Onboarding is something that all of our account managers are responsible for partaking in. Now we have the templates, we have the presentation template, we have an onboarding sheet example, and we have a presentation example. Eventually, we'll have audit examples, content calendar examples. We'll have everything that we need to take care of client onboarding. And a lot of this stuff is going to be templated so that when channels are created, this project tracker template is created with the channel. And then all the account manager needs to do is fill out this template, customize it for the client, and our operational and management workflows are already created in just a couple of minutes. Of course, it takes some customization, but for the most part, the hurdles have been lowered. We also have communication sequences here. So Slack workflows, all of the Slack workflows created in one canvas, check-ins with one canvas and one workflow. The to-do list is going to be a checklist in a canvas. We have some videos here. We have really everything that our account managers will need, including tools, AI tools that we're demoing with, tools that we use as a company. Basically, our entire tech stack is included here in the tools. Or will be. Again, like I said, this is a work in progress. And the beautiful thing about this is that we don't need to clog up a Slack channel with the communication about the canvases. We can communicate right here on the canvas. It's incredibly efficient. It doesn't bother anyone else. Only the people involved need to see the messages. If we scroll down, we see some of the other capabilities that we have. So we can just type on it like a document. We can, if I get to an empty space here, obviously create tables. But we can also, actually, I'll just jump over to the project tracker. We can also create these incredible Asana-like management tables, these different views. You can have, this checklist where you can check off the task, you can set the status, the priority, and then you can organize them and filter them based on what you want to see. You want to see high priority, low priority, tasks that are in progress, that are completed, that are blocked, so on and so forth. And it allows us to use Slack as a centralized hub for information, a project management software, but it also allows us to do this very effectively and save time because there are templates customized for our agency. So what we're doing is creating templates that we will use for new hires, new clients, onboarding, etc. So far, this seems like the most promising solution. I don't want to get too far ahead of myself, so I'll check in it again in the future. But this is definitely something that you want to consider whether you're an agency owner or a business owner. Go ahead, check it out. If you have any questions, we help our clients with automations and CRM setups. This isn't beyond the scope. We can help you with as much as we've learned ourselves. So go ahead, shoot us a line. Bye.